progression, we have started only sequence and arithmetic progressions. We have started just a few simple problems. Okay, so now we'll do other topics related to arithmetic progressions. Okay, so the first thing now, okay, it's the general term of an AP. Okay, so we have the general term of an AP. So last class, AP is a sequence. Remember that, okay, like the terms, they differ by what? By a constant number called the common difference. Okay, so you know that in an AP, first and foremost is first term, common difference. Those two are very important. Okay, so like A, first term is always A, and D, B, the common difference of the AP. Okay. Now, okay, let's take an example. Now, we have, this one is a simple AP. Okay. Now, what is D? 4 minus 2 is D. Means 4 minus 2, which is 2, is D. Means D here it is 2. Okay. So this, what is the first term? It is 2. Okay. So this one, let's recall, this is called the first term, this is the second term, the third term, the fourth term. Okay. And the fifth term. Can you tell me what's the fifth term? It is 8 plus 2, so it will be 10. So what will be the next term? It will be 10 plus 2, so it is 12. So it goes on like this. Okay, means if you want to know the next term, you just add by the common difference. Now, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This is the seventh term. Now, suppose I want to find the 30th term. Okay, so this is the seventh term. Okay, seventh term, it is denoted by A7. Okay. Now, the question is, I want to find this 30th term used to denote it like this. Now, how can I find? You cannot add simply plus 2. Okay. So they have provided a formula for this. Okay. And that is the general term of an AP. That is the wonder of an AP. Means you can find any number, okay, just by knowing, okay, like what term you want to find out, okay. So the general term of an AP, provided you should know the first term and the common difference. The formula is AN, A plus N minus 1. Okay, so you have to know A, you have to know D, and you have to know N. As soon as you know all these three, then you can find out whatever you want. Okay, so I want to find the 30th term. So therefore, A30 means N it is 30. So A it is 2, and then N it is 30 minus 1, and then D it is 2. So 2 plus, this one is 29 into 2. So it is 2 plus 58. So this one will be 60. So this is the answer. So if they ask you what is the 30th term, it's magic. Okay, you can find it by this formula. Okay, so it is 60. Okay, so now we'll solve like somewhat advanced questions related to this general term of an AP. Okay, based on the textbook. So the question: find the 25th term of the AP. Okay, it's AP. Okay, means you have to find the 25th term, and then which term of are connected. Okay, I'll show you why. Okay, normally students, they always get confused with the second one. Okay, they can do the first one very easily, but the second one, okay, they find it very difficult. Okay, so find the 25th term. First, whenever they give you questions related to AP, first you have to write the AP itself. The AP is, we have 21, 16, 11, 6, 1, so on. First you write the AP. Next, first term and common difference. Always write, okay, first term A, it is 21. Then we have common difference. D, it is, remember, not 21 minus 60, but this side, okay? So 16 minus 21, it is equal to minus 5. The question is, find the 25th term. Remember, first term, second term, third term. So when they say 25th term means A 25. Okay, so therefore A25 is what? We use the formula A plus N minus 1D. Okay, so what is A? It is 21. What is N? It is 25. And D, it is minus. So minus 3. So this one, it is equal to 21 plus into minus, okay, is minus 5. Then 25 minus 1 is 24. Okay, so it is in fact equal to 21 minus 1 to 0. So this one is equal to minus 99. So this is the answer. Okay. Now the next question, which term of the AP, okay, is minus 99? Now look here, I got A25 to be minus 99. Okay, so when they say 25th term, you should know that it is A25. Now which term, when they say which term means the question mark term. Okay, means, okay, you have to find this. What is this? If you look, it is the nth. Okay, means you have to find n. Okay, so when they say which term, it means that you have to find this n. Okay, so the second question is, which term of the AP is minus 99? So if they ask you 25th term, 20th term means easily, okay, A20, A25 like that. Okay, but when they say which term, okay, just on the word which term, okay, which means you have to find, okay, the term. Okay, so which term, okay, remember like this. Then it's the nth term. Okay, for general, okay, term, we it's nth term, right? So in this case, when you say which term means you have to find this n. Okay, so this AP, now if you check this and this, they are the same. Okay, so we'll write first the AP. Okay, we'll write first the AP. Now given AP is 21, 16, 11, 6, 1, and so on. Okay, again you have to write first term and common difference. Okay, so common difference D, it is equal to 16 minus 21. So 16 minus 21, it is minus 5. Then we have to use that formula. Okay, now an equal to a plus n minus 1b. Remember, when you say which term, you have to find n. Okay, so that minus 99, okay, look at here, this one you have to find. Okay, so that minus 99, okay, it is in fact this one, this an. Okay, so minus 99. Okay, so what is the first term? That is 21 plus n minus 1. What is d? It is minus 5. Okay, this one. Then you can transfer this side. Okay, so minus 99. Okay, this one is plus into minus is minus 5 and minus 1. Okay, so this one it is nothing but minus 120. Okay, after this you bring this down. Okay, I mean like dividing both sides by minus 5. So you will get, this one will be this one. So minus 24 is equal to n minus 1. I'm sorry, minus and minus they cancel. Okay, so it is plus. So n minus 1 equal to 24. Equality, you can flip sides. Okay, and then n is equal to 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Okay, look here. Previously, A25 was minus 99, right? Now what is this n? 25. Now look here, like it's almost a converse. Okay, now minus 99, what is this n? 25. Okay, you see the link? Means this n here is this itself. Okay, so if they ask you 25th term, you get this. If they ask you which term, you should get this one. Okay, this n. Okay, so that is the solution of this problem. Okay, so next we will go to another problem. This next problem, we can find the number of all 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 9. Okay. Now, if you check this question, okay, we will solve this with the help of an EP. Okay. So 3-digit natural numbers first. Okay. Keep track first of the 3-digit natural numbers. Okay, 3-digit natural numbers, like it starts from where and ends till where. Okay, 3-digit. Okay, so it is from 100 till the last one, it is 999. Okay, so it starts from here and ends till here. But not all of them are divisible by 9. And so on. Okay. Now when I say divisible by 9 means when you divide by 9 you should get remainder 0. Now if you check 100 you will not get remainder 0 and so on. Okay. So you have to see, you have to check, okay, from these, okay, which are divisible by 9. 102 also no, 103 also no, 104 also no. After calculation, you will find that it is 108. Okay, 108. Now, after you find for this, it becomes easier. How? No need to find after this. You just add by 9. Okay, add by 9, you will get 117. Again, you add by 9, you will get 126. Okay, and then now the last one also you have to find out. Now the last one, it is 999. Okay, then before this 998 and so on. Okay, then does 9 divides 999? Okay, it divides. Okay, so that's okay, easy. So the last one will be 999. So if you check this, okay, this sequence of numbers, you will find that it is an EP. Okay, how? If you find, okay, the difference, I need to say, the difference between this and this and this, it is in fact, okay. So this is an EP. Okay. So first you have to write, okay, the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay. So 3 digit natural numbers which are divisible by 9 are, we have 108, 117, 126, then we go on to 999. Okay? Now, the above sequence of numbers is an EP. Okay, so with what is the first term? First term A, it is 108. Common difference D, it is 9. So this is the then we have to find how many of them. Okay, how many? Okay, find the number of all the number. Okay, of all these 3 digit numbers. Now, how many of them will be there from 108 to 999, which will be divisible by 9? Okay, so you see here, this is first term, second term, third term. Okay, it's like counting, right? 1, 2, 3. Then the last one, this one is an. So if you know n, means you will know that how many of them are there. Okay. So now use the general formula. Okay. So what is an? It's the last one. Okay, so take the last number. Okay. So this is 108. This n we have to find out, and then this d is 9. Carry this to the other side. 999 minus 108. This is nothing but 9 and minus 1. This is 891 equal to 9 and minus 1. So 891 divided by 9. So this implies that, so it is 99. Okay, so this one. So n minus 1, it is 99. So n, it is 99 plus 1, which is 100. So if they ask you how many of them are there, okay, from 108 to 999, where 9 can divide, there are how many? 100 of them. Okay, no need to count, just with the help of this general term of an EP. Okay, the formula of this, you can find out. Okay, how many of them are divisible by 9. Okay, so this is the answer. This next problem, okay, is 310 the term of the EP. Now these questions they usually give, okay, during the MBOSE question paper exam. Okay, usually it's for 2 or 3 marks. Is 310 a term of the EP? Okay, like I said, first we have to write the EP. Okay, so the EP is 3, 8, 10, 15, and so on. Okay, then you write the first term. Here, first term it is 3. Okay, and then common difference it is 9. 8 minus 3, which is 5. Okay. So whenever, okay, like when there are questions related to terms and so on, okay, we use the general term, okay, of an EP, the formula, okay. So now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So it's 310 a term. Okay, this 310, okay, a term means it is somewhere here, okay. But the question is it one of the numbers of the AP or not? Okay. So how can you tell that? Okay. Now, after solving, I will explain to you, okay, like how, okay, whether like it's a term or not of the given AP. Okay. So this 310, okay, it's one of the numbers. Okay, means an. Okay. Then a it is 3. We'll assume, okay, that it's one of the numbers. Okay, then n minus 1, then d it is 5. Okay, we have taken an assumption that this is one of the terms. Then we can carry this side, so this 1 minus 3, so this is 5n minus 1. So this one you get 307. Okay, then now if you check here, now can 5 divide 307? No. Okay, because how do you know that? Because the units digit is not 0, neither 5. Okay, that means that 5 cannot divide this. And you see that again in AP, like previous example, first term means A1, A2, A3, A4, fifth term like that. So what are they? They are all natural numbers. Now, but if in case you calculate this one will be what? This is in fact a fraction, okay, or a decimal number, okay. So which means that it's not a natural number, okay. So that is why. So from here, you can see that it's in fact a fraction, okay. So after calculating, okay, just putting n, okay, you will get this one is in fact this one. So n is a fraction, okay, but you should get n to be a natural number. So which means that our assumption that 310 is a term is totally false, okay. So which means that 310 is not a term. So here you should note that you should get what? A natural number. If you get negative, it is not a term. If you get a fraction also, it is not a term. Okay, remember that. Okay. So whenever they ask question like that, you just remember that this shouldn't be negative and fraction. Okay. So this is the so after this you write therefore 310 is not a term of the given EP. Okay. So the next problem. Okay, determine the number of terms in the AP. Okay, 17, 14 and a half, 12, and they have given the last one which is minus 38. So how to solve this one? The number of terms means you're counting, okay? 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay? So when I say suppose, okay, if I've given you, okay, 1, 2, 3, say, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, easily you can make out that there are 7 of them, isn't it? But if you look in this AP, there are some terms which are missing, and then the last one they have given minus 38. Okay? So you cannot count. Okay, you cannot count 1, 2, 3 and make out. Okay, they have that much of terms. Okay, so how to solve this problem is, okay, the advantage is again just what is an AP. Okay, you can do wonders with AP. Okay, like you can count how many of them are there, but provided that in the question they have given you the last term. You see here, this one is the last number. Okay, the last term in the AP. So if they ask in the question find the number of terms, means they have to provide this last term of the AP. Okay, so we'll solve this problem now. Okay, so again we have to write the AP is 17, 14 and a half, 12, and then the last one it is minus 38. Okay, we will provide this only when usually they ask the number of terms. Then you have to write first term A, it is 17, common difference means D, it is this minus this. So 14 and a half minus 17, so this one is 29 by 2. So this one is 29, LCM it is 2, okay. So 34, so this one will be minus 5 by 2. Okay. So this is the first one, this is the common difference. So we have to find the number of terms. Again, we use that formula, okay, the general term of an AP. Okay, so AN equal to A plus N minus 1. Now, this minus 38 is a term here. Okay, so you write here minus 38. Now, A here it is 17. Now, this N we do not know. Okay, so we have to find out. Then D it is minus 5 by 2. Transfer the number to the other side. Then divide by 5 by 2 both sides, right? So it will be this and this cancel, okay? So it is no longer any minus sign. So this will be 2 and then 5. So n minus 1. So 5 and then. So this one will be 22. You carry this one this side plus 1. So n equal to 23. Now, what's the meaning of this? Okay, this 23 and so on. Now, look here. Now, this one is A1, this one is A2, A3, and this one we have found out as A23, right? Then, if you count 1, 2, 3, so on, the last one is what? 23. So, how many of them are there? There are 23. So that is why when they ask him determine the number of terms, just put in this general term of an AP formula, okay? And then whatever you get n, that will be the answer. Okay? So how many of them are there? So therefore there are 23 terms in the AP. Okay, so that is the